When we envision the ultimate autonomous system, we picture the stark dynamic. You speak, the machine listens, and the aircraft responds. The user perceives a direct dialogue with the aircraft. But bringing a JARVIS-style interface to a $20 drone requires us to confront a brutal reality. Aerodynamic physics dictate that airborne audio is an engineering nightmare. If we put a microphone on the drone, the propeller decibel load completely destroys the localized audio input. Furthermore, continuous two-way audio streaming consumes our critical telemetry bandwidth. Onboard voice processing requires hardware payloads that exceed our microdrone weight and cost constraints. To solve this, we designed the Proxy AI architecture. The drone acts strictly as a sensory extension, while the ground control PC operates as the ventriloquist. The microphone and speakers remain safely on the ground, achieving pristine isolation with zero additional load on the aircraft. Simply put, the drone flies. The ground station speaks. This brings us to our algorithmic breakthrough: conversational telemetry. Raw telemetry silently translates into conversational intelligence. When the drone encounters an obstacle, it sends a silent data downlink, such as a 45% depth danger. The Proxy AI intercepts this raw JSON data and instantly synthesizes it into a human voice alert. Warning, Commander. Evasive protocol engaged. The AI copilot reads the state, not the sound. By accepting the physical constraints of our hardware, we successfully offloaded the entire cognitive and acoustic load to the ground station. The result is a seamless, conversational interface that defies the limitations of its own hardware. The AI copilot is online. Now, let's see it in action. Watch closely. The AI doesn't just see the helicopter, it calculates the exact 3D depth in real time. When the threat enters the red zone, the system doesn't panic. It locks down, triggers a proactive alert, and waits for my confirmation.
Warning, Commander. Incoming dining table. Awaiting evasive orders.
Execute!
Executing evasive maneuvers immediately. Threat successfully evaded. Resuming normal operation.
Hardware is only half the story. We're not just building airplanes. We are engineering the brains behind them. From computer vision to human-in-the-loop AI, this is how we create a true smart co-pilot. If you're into AI, robotics, and the future of aviation, make sure to subscribe and join the crew. We are just getting started, and you won't want to miss what we build next. Thanks for watching.